Yeah, I don't think it'll work.
Oh well, it's any export ship.
Yeah. I thought when you went to zero to res the engine, I was like, I think I've got this now. But I just never did the money. I was like, if I'd have just had ASOPs down, it would have been huge because I trashed an overstream.
No, it was the right call. Otherwise, yeah, I think it was well going down zero because I had nothing of real concern in hand. If you mill stuff, you're going to do it regardless of my money status. So figured probably worth going to. And in that case, I'll just run it what's it called? Sweet sweet. Or you'll hit an explode, we'll lose it. Both of which were on the boat.
This might be a TO.
Judge?
I'll just go to the loop.
Install.
Cool. Draw installing the software service.
Yeah.
Click two.
Back.
What was it?
Oh wow.
I don't need more of them.
iPhone works and iPhone works.
Stay there. Stay there. I'll trash with wizard. Just stays there.
3. That's my bit. That's my resource. And finally,
That is what accessing 11 cards from R&D is not seeing the good.
yeah, let's make pick a card, pitch another ace up. I don't need more of them, I've had less.
Me stop it. Hey! I scavenged a torch for a clock.
I think then it's random and then
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
stays there.
No? Yeah, all of this.
no rest.
What was it? Fine. Team sponsorship. 2.
Unsurprisingly.
Those all there in the opening. Oh, damn it.
Yeah, they're mainly NAPD though. That's not what you want to see turn 1, is it? Because you run up bin.
Sorry?
You run the bin, right?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Run HQ.
That's interesting.
Still for net 0.
3. That is interesting.
So I just have to jack out and all my click. Oh yeah, right, well.
And at the same time, I've lost
Install.
yeah, it is, sorry.
No, you can't have that. I'm sorry. You can't.
Can credit your turn? Draw. Draw.
Credit install. Credit install.
Click 1. Me? He's got some cheek here.
In the nicest possible way. It's not
Sure.
7. Still getting me credit.
Then. Okay.
Team Championship fires.
A wise decision. A wise decision to play with this one. Credit.
Well, I didn't want to do anything.
I needed that money. Literally, like the res in the ice was literally just like, oh, at least I'll get some ice res. Because, you know, I haven't drawn any.
Oh, bad time.
Let's throw that there.
Sure. On me. Your cards. Bin.
Not some ice.
Thank you. Check here. Goes back. Credit. Draw a card. Makes more sense.
No!
Sure. Race up to 3.
Okay. When you scavenge, you scavenge a torch. You like soap?
You're good. Oh yeah, that was okay. Oh, that's okay.
Credit. HQ.
I needed that. That's all I wanted. I was like, I can build myself a server with the ice GNK.
Run and kill bonkers bakeries. Sure.
Plus 1.
Are you doing it again?
Well, there's not any agendas left in the bloody game, right? Got an ice. Got an ice. Where to put the
Where are you
ice?
putting it?
Don't keep me in spec, I just tick.
Sure.
You don't have it.
On me.
Your line incredibly underground.
Kills it instantly. Oh,
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
One, yeah.
It has 1. That is true. Haha.
You don't have Grimlock.
2. Goes back. 3.
Not much I can really do about that one.
4.
2 and 3 dry pounds. You want
1.
Yep.
Right, now she draw.
I just didn't get the coins I needed. Where were you? Were you the boss of the cards? You were. That's what I wanted. They would have been. That's what I was looking for.
2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 3 credits.
Sure. Nice. Gotta check the bin. Sure.
I also hit like what? Those two was stupid.
Sure. 2 is credit. 3 is from skill and NPD. 4 is.
This deck is so
Yes, no, it's fine.
I'm going to build well so I can get somewhere.
Sure.
Advance.
Oh, it's nothing fun.
On me. The next one's there.
So I'm going to check the face up there.
There's a lot of money in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
One. That's 1, 2, 3. 2 R&D. Did you another card?
This is a tough decision.
That was a really
Sure.
it's like, annoying. It's like,
Yeah, I use that so much.
Huh?
If you install a parasite now, I'm going to be so pissed at you.
Am I going to install a parasite? Briggs 2.
Yeah, no, but like in general, like it will die in a few turns, and like that was all of my money.
Does he play hard?
Three.
Same old thing.
Then
Move on. Entry, 2 and 3, crash it for cancel. No. I think it's
Yours.
okay,
Yours your 2.
yes. I didn't mean to.
Okay.
That's alright, it won't me.
So you got your mandatory, so you got the top 1. And then if you spend either shuffle your deck or spend the spend it to draw the deck. But you know what it is.
I didn't actually look at it, but like,
Okay,
I mean,
no,
it was
that's
like
fine.
quick,
If you didn't see it, then it's fine.
It's up to John, I mean, it's casual, but yeah, if you want to shuffle my deck.
No, so your call.
I'm so used to playing noise. It's like Wild Side, right? You're just like,
Yeah. Speaking of which,
I was talking to, I was playing Conrad earlier, and he wanted to start by, what's that? I think he wanted to pay max for 40 minutes to start his call by going, mill. Like, no, that's not how it works. Right. Install for credit.
this is where you pull out a 2-1.
If only, like, I was like, you've got all of my. Yeah, I suppose that would be enough, wouldn't it? I mean, yeah. No, I don't have any 2-1s.
Does XP even have a 2-1?
That's 2-0. It has the.
Oh yeah.
You can score that.
You could score.
I'll take 2 credits. Your turn.
I think that would be the only time it's ever won.
Well, no, but then you still have a whole turn. So like,
Yeah, that's true.
actually.
Okay. One. Number 7.
That's why the drawing was really important. I was like, I need 3 credits. I can't draw. This is my plan. This is literally my only out. I've had no eyes and no money, but I've been flooded. So I was like, this is
I spent 2 clicks for 2 credits.
Now, are you holding in hand? Question. More importantly, is what you're holding not an NAP?
well, you know there's one there. You know there's one there.
It's unlikely. Let's go HQ. The win in there. The win in there, Joey. The win's not in there. Okay, final click. Did I mill an agenda?
Is there, oh, you can't do it. You know an agenda. Or is there an agenda in here?
That's a very good question, Joey.
Which is the better odds?
So let's do some maths. And we've got time. We're going to the first game when it likely to be. So there are 7 agendas, well, 8 agendas on the board. Typical HB deck runs 10 of them.
I know more though. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6 points missing.
Oh, so yes, there's 3 agendas now. That deck's pretty full. It sounds to me milling one is pretty low.
I think we must have access.
So,
Chance of being anywhere is pretty low.
yeah.
There's 2 or 3 left in the deck.
Okay, let's run your hand.
13 different cards and not a
Oh, come on!
Literally 8 agendas in the top, like, that makes it like 1, 2,
Well, I was trying to just press sure
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20.
Yeah.
22 last cards is 2 bloody agendas. I can't believe I won that. I literally, I had